Hi everyone, today let me share one of my favorite recipes, a delicious brownie cake that I usually make for many of my family functions and for my customers for their birthday celebration. Not only will I share my brownie recipe with you, but I will also show you how to turn it into a beautiful cake decorated with delicious whipped cream. So stay tuned until the end for all the tips and tricks to make your brownie shine. Let's dive into the brownie recipe. For this, in a mixing bowl, take about 100 grams of chocolate and about 80 grams of butter. In this, I'm also going to add about 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder for that rich and chocolatey flavor. Not just that, in the same bowl, I'm going to add about 120 grams of caster sugar and about 100 ml of water. And then start melting this mixture nicely on a double boiler. You can also use microwave for this method. Ensure that you are getting a completely lump-free batter at this point of time. Once you get that lump-free batter, just let it cool down completely. Once the mixture cools down completely, now crack an egg into this mixture. Now I know what you are saying. Oh Dipti, share an eggless version also. So here is a little secret. For an eggless version, replace the egg with 1/4 cup of curd and this will give you the perfect eggless brownie. Now in this wet mixture, let us add about 75 grams of maida and just about half a teaspoon of baking powder. You know what, I love this particular recipe because it is that quick one bowl recipe which gets my brownie batter ready in like no time. Now while you are making this particular mixture, always try to get a lump-free batter. Okay, remember this is a fudgy brownie recipe. What I mean by that is the batter that you will get over here, it is going to be runny, which is okay. Do not worry about it. Right? At this point of time, also preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now that your brownie batter is ready, let us transfer that into a square cake tin. Have a look at the consistency of this brownie batter. It is going to be like this. Now bake this cake at 160 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 45 minutes. Do the doneness check using a toothpick or a knife. Once the knife comes out clean, your brownie is ready. Transfer that into a cake board. Let it cool down completely before you start doing the decorations on your brownie. Okay, so this is the brownie that is done. Now it is time to begin another interesting part of this brownie recipe, the decoration. For this, place your brownie on a square cake board and apply a very thin layer of whipped cream on top. And make sure it is spread evenly. Just use a very little thin layer of whipped cream on top. Once you spread it evenly and nicely, then use a comb to create intricate lines on the cream. This is very easy and it is very simple as well. Do not worry if it is looking ugly at this point of time. Now, after doing this, for making beautiful flower arrangements, we will use colored whipped cream and petal nozzles and also leaf nozzle. So let's use purple whipped cream and petal nozzle to create petals on my cake. See, I'm not creating full bloom flower over here, just creating 2 to 3 petals at same distance from each other. Can you see how cute it looks? Just do it on the corners of your cake. And some flowers, try to do it in the center of your cake. If you are enjoying this unique cake recipe and the decoration technique, let me know in the comments below if you want to learn more cake decoration techniques on my channel or more cake recipes over here. Type recipe if you want to learn more recipes, type decoration if you want to learn more decoration techniques on my channel. Now let me switch to the yellow whipped cream and select another petal nozzle. Try to arrange these flowers on the opposite side of the purple petals that you have already made in the earlier step. Also try to create smaller petals or bigger petals as compared to the purple petals that you have made. See, none of the flowers in the nature are actually perfect. They are never the similar size. So this will give that realistic look to your cake decorations. After this, I'm going to use my leaf nozzle and green colored whipped cream for making beautiful leaves on my cake. Try to create as many leaves as you can because that is going to add to the beauty of your cake. Now, if you are new to my channel, do hit that like button if you have loved this recipe and share it with your loved one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video over here. Finally, let me use some of my pink whipped cream, which is bright in color, and make this cute 3-petal flower on my cake. Can you see how it has already started to look so beautiful? Now, for those who are just starting and would love to know how to set up your professional home bakery, join my free webinar. You will find the link for joining this webinar in the description box below. You will get step-by-step blueprint to launch your professional home bakery in just 30 days. If you would love to know what all nozzles I have used for making these beautiful cake decorations, type nozzle in the comment box below and I will share all the details with you. Now have a look at how stunning the cake looks. So the next time your customer asks for a brownie cake for a birthday, decorate it like this and you are sure to please them. Your efforts will be totally worth it. And it means more appreciation and more orders for your home bakery. Finally, just place a golden happy birthday tag in the center, add some colorful sprinkles. So the simple brownie block is now converted into a beautiful looking birthday cake. Definitely include this as one of the cake flavor in your cake menu. You will surely stand out from other bakers in your town. I hope you have loved this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and share it and do subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful cake recipes and cake decoration techniques. Thanks for watching and happy baking.